Shine Pro 2-in-1, built for speed. Let's start out with a salty truck. First, we rinse off the Shine Pro on both sides. Then we rinse the heavy dirt and salt off the vehicle. Now we pre-treat the bottom of the vehicle with a heavy cleaner. Then we use a mild cleaner to spray the rest of the vehicle. Now here's the fun part. We leave the Shine Pro open so that we can get the width of the car much easier. Then we go across the top of the vehicle so that we don't grab the heavy dirt that's on the bottom of the vehicle. Flip your Shine Pro in half, then you get half of the vehicle first, then flip it over, get the other half, and then continue that same process on the other side of the vehicle. Open the Shine Pro on the vehicle, then rinse it off really well on both sides to get all the dirt and debris off of it. Then rinse off the whole entire vehicle really well to get all the salt and loose dirt off the vehicle. Now we spray a heavy wheel cleaner all over the wheel, following the design of the wheel and spraying up into the wheel so that way you don't have to roll the vehicle in order to get it right. Then we pressure wash the wheel off really well and close with a high pressure system, following the design of the wheel, also getting deep inside the wheel completely without rolling the vehicle. The next goal in this process is to wring out the Shine Pro 2-in-1 extremely well. That way you can get the heavy water off the vehicle before you blow it. But first, what we do is we spray a nice ceramic liquid wax all over the vehicle that we've made concentrated for our liking. The beauty of this process is it allows us to be able to dry the vehicle and wax it with a ceramic wax at the same time. Now we blow off any annoying water left on the vehicle. With Shine Pro 2-in-1 wrung out really well, we ensure that we remove all the water spots and water drip marks off the vehicle. The product swings out extremely well on top of the windows and is easy to extend throughout the vehicle, especially on large vehicles. After completing the vehicle, then use the same product to get the design of the wheel really well to ensure that you get all the dirt off the wheel. There's no scrubbing needed in this process. Since the end of the product was used on the wheels, now we can use the center of the product for the door jambs. Make sure that in between these processes that you wring out the Shine Pro 2-in-1 extremely well. Shine Pro 2-in-1 was the only product used to wash and dry and wax this vehicle. No microfibers were used in this process. The full amount of time that it took to wash this vehicle with the Shine Pro 2-in-1 was 31 minutes. Thank you for watching this training video.